have Suzanne, and we're going to do her first treatment of the 1111 Wish Face. Now what I'd like to do is start with her neck area and just go straight up on the neck area. Well, because as we, get past that 25-year-old mark, our collagen starts to deplete. And the jowl area is always important to just run it up the jowl area and just keep going in a straight upward motion, because gravity does pull us down in the end. So we want to keep going in the upward motion. And this is safe to even do on the lips as long as you close them. There you go. And above the lips is a lot of women's areas that they have a little concern. So we're going to go right up, straight up all over her skin in an upward motion. Now I like to do 2 coats because you don't want to miss any areas. So we're going to do 2 coats, run it right up a second time. And we're going to close the mouth and just do those little lips again. This is packed with vitamins and peptides. So it really gives your skin a wonderful hydration. And it's completely safe. You can put this on your face and on your body, and you can share it with your partner. This is a unisex product, and you can share it. Share if you care. Now the only area that I'm going to change motions is under her eye. So I'm going to go outside the eye and in. Outside the eye and in. And same with the top area. Out and in. Okay? And then just touch it up a little bit. And we're going to let that dry. Now she has enough to do a little bit of her chest area. You don't have to waste a drop. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of her hands if you might like that. Okay, we can always keep our hands a little hydrated as well. Okay, so she's going to go and let this dry up. Within about 8 minutes, she's going to see a nice change.